G'day guys, Mick and Jim here from Iron Drake Cleaning Solutions. Just getting planned and ready for the day here. We've got plenty of responsible business owners scheduling in their free disinfection service. I want to take you along for the ride today so you can see what the service is all about. Come on with it.
Hey guys, here we are at one of our favourite cafes in West End, Wrapture.
They're still pumping out their famous wraps and coffee. Follow us as we disinfect the external surfaces of their business. G'day guys, just here at the Gunshop Cafe with Denise, making sure customers are still confident to come and get a takeaway coffee or some beautiful food. See guys, it's businesses like this, grilled in West End. They're still operating on takeaway orders and we want to give their customers the confidence to keep coming back in these times. Just here in West End at the Little Greek, they're still powering through these hard times, delivering beautiful takeaway food and coffee. Our disinfection service is to World Health Organization standards. We disinfect all high traffic areas and high touch points. Get in touch today to make your workspace safe.